The Samoan media is questioning the process which the host broadcaster for the upcoming Jokum was awarded, whether there is a record of the job being tendered. The co-chairperson of the Jokum Media Subcommittee, Lefawali'i Unutoa Awelua Fonuti, revealed in the first media briefing for Jokum last Wednesday that the host broadcaster was MMG from New Zealand, Radio 2AP and TV9. However, she was immediately contradicted by the ACEO for the state-owned Radio 2AP, Misa Vicky Lepo, who told the briefing that the Radio 2AP was the host broadcaster to be assisted by MMG and the government-run channel TV9. The following day, CEO of the Ministry of the Prime Minister and the co-chair of the committee, Angafili, confirmed that the broadcasting host was indeed tendered. However, Talamua understands that the committee directly approached the Australian Broadcasting Corporation, ABC, to be the host broadcaster for Jokum 2024, but were told that was a privilege for the host nation. Major media companies in Samoa were taken by surprise when Lefawali'i named the New Zealand-based company as the host broadcaster, as they were interested and questioning if there was ever a tender for the job. MMG was the host broadcaster for the 2019 Pacific Games hosted in Samoa, and the media restrictions put in place for the media then are similar to the restrictions Lefawali'i announced during last week's briefing. She insisted that the restrictions are in line with the guidelines set down in the Commonwealth Blue Book and have been endorsed by Cabinet. However, Talamua sources say the media guidelines were never discussed by Cabinet.